am going to prepare something to eat. We're gonna cook curry chicken with rice because we have Zimi Seh beach in a few, and it's now after 9, so we need to eat something before we go to Zimi. Okay. I don't hear you.
Already.
The next one.
One. That takes a long time.
You're ready, right?
I can eat more if you come in too much. Get me only up for up to full this rum cream here today. Right? Sangster's original rum cream. Ian Sangster's Jamaica rum. What's it called? Everybody gets 6 cup food, right?
Just because you want, you're supposed to be consuming, you're going to gym, right? Alcohol, right? You know this, right?
But I already consume it like that. Just a little taste every now and then. I like it.
Very funny. Exactly, I eat the wrong things.
No, it's not a lifestyle. It's
Just a moment.
yeah. It's not really. I
You were eating the
yeah, they will make ramen with them man there.
Whoa, the lady cook her husband breakfast with there. What way I say?
Ramen Isha.
Ramen Isha to eat.
Yeah, ramen never fail.
Peanuts breakfast.
We want to do this with rice?
Yeah. You want it with yam?
The Irish.
You girl enough you eat no Irish.
I am.
You're supposed to eat sweet potato.
No, that can't pass my throat.
So you want Irish?
Yeah, for Spider-Man.
Yeah. There's some ears of Spider-Man out.
You tell me.
You watch it already?
No, I'm not watching it. No, waste
You don't must go watch it from one of the free website. One way that you take to watch
I'm
it.
wasting time and go watch something over there. What is it called?
It wasn't good? What's it like?
It was okay, but I think it worked going to the movies.
Yeah, I think, what Michael Jackson?
No. Maybe the opposite.
She just never made sense like you waste your money. If watch a movie is so expensive, why? Jamaica just literally they just make everything expensive. I feel like they must tell us to listen. We need to pack up shop and move out because we don't can't afford to live here. We get to another on the healthy journey, so I don't know if you never tell. Where you training? What did you name when you go to? Yeah, man, no inform from you guys. This one was exactly, that's more information. Why did what? I don't want to put myself to know. I didn't like so down.
These are updated for them. This is not the camera that we're going to play this exam.
doing it. So we're not money more shots.
Well, no, when we eat the little food and we're ready and we're double done before we leave, we have to hit the road in style and pattern. We're not doing a board outside the evening. We have to. What's going outside? I'm wash these.
Boy, boy.
Turn them down.
Boy.
We have a party cup cleanup people. We have the blue and the red party. First of all, let me ask, right? Let me see. I'm gonna say the people I'm right. The people can see me. I'm gonna ask this question. Right. So, which cup is the OG party cup? Is it the red or is it the blue? Let me know in the comment section. I feel like if you do a get together, if you do a party, if you do any form of drinking or outing and you don't have this, nobody keep it.
That's true, you say no, yeah.
Nobody keep it. Nobody, whatever you keep, just if people not reach here, tell them nobody come, and if people did it, send them got in yard. Nobody keep nothing because big enough. We are going to a blue cup. This, the red one, and if you're gonna listen, you know, oh my God, this is really chasing the supermarket. These are the dearest party cup. It's dearer than art. This is the OG. This means to say we'll come and we're going to bust down proper behavior party and we're going to drink and we'll have a jolly time.
I'm doing a little OOTD. We are going to Zimi Seh beach outfit / swimwear from Fashion Nova. Cover up from Shein. Bag is from Tourbirch. And sandals from Tourbirch. Necklace, Tourbirch. Hair, Slay by something on Instagram. Face beat by moi. And scent of today is Prada Paradox. Yeah. So we're ready and we're going to leave in a jiffy. And boy, the sun is hot. Why? I'm not really look forward to outside because the sun is doing a lot. And lip gloss, Amazon. Why? Yeah, we're ready. And yeah, we're outside. But outside is hot, so I'm going inside. Ooh, boy, outside hot. Alright, so these are the girls. And this girl is not doing so well. She's drinking all the tea.
I'm drinking my ginger tea. Oh my God, I look so different, but I'm the same person from this morning.
Yeah, she's the same doll. She's just the dolled up.
Boy, this morning I was the doll, now I'm the brats.
Doll brats.
Yes.
You ready? You ready? Are you ready? She love it. Let me tell you with her guys. No, hold on. Let me tell you now. You see, like this morning, I say, no man, but wait, come see your head from the camera. But I say, 2 nights ago, you're in the camera and we are rave. What I say, but so I don't alcohol, I don't liquor, I rave. Yeah, so we have to wait until we catch her outside later, and she gonna literally take the camera now. So yeah. She hide from the camera when she's not under the influence, but when she's influenced, boy, she take the camera angle. But yeah, she hide. So I'm gonna leave her till later. But we're getting ready and we are going outside in a bit. Yeah. Alright guys, soon in a bit. Right now. Traffic terrible. When I think about it, the shuttling makes sense. The shuttling makes sense, guys, right? Traffic is that's good. Zimi Seh beach. We're outside. What happened? Oh, it's them here. Yeah, we have to come out of the sun. The sun is so.
Need your voice. You got to cool it down. Have some more vibes, man. Come on. Me and you together, we go like when we soak up in the shower, you can bubble. If it feels right, yeah, baby, give me the green light. And let me accelerate. Can wind up the drum, and let me do it again. Can walk up the waist non-stop. Can stand up how you move it. Right now it's no, ladies, because Are you ready again? Are you no, come on, my dear. Take a seat. 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 What up? Let's go. Take a seat. We're gonna bring you back one time. I'm gonna bring you back to basement jams, back to baskets. We're gonna bring you back to old school parties right here in Zimi Seh. You ready? We doing it like this. This is the running. This Calamana Kamayani. Like a titan. Nobody too much man. Every girl just stick it on and tuck it on and girl just stick it on and tuck 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 it on. Here we go. We are Zimi Seh. Oh, I don't like you want me. You keep me snapping in the head, stop me stopping when you're buying me in the head. Got me strong, you're like a lightning. This is the touching to this one, so frightening. I don't like your body, but she don't like your body. I don't want to name no slave. Ladies, you now fucking no more in this weekend. I need you to sing this shit. Well, all my seven ass niggas. Take this on this cash. Boy, who's in pictures where y'all at? Something that shit y'all at. Ladies, I need you to got some cash. Ladies, what it is. Yes, kind of here. Bomba. I don't say life over there, kind of here. I don't say mommy over there. What do you see me? I'm worried about.
Well, we have to walk to the parking lot because the traffic is terrible. Traffic terrible bad. That's the traffic. Why? In a pretty.
Guys, I'm home now and Zimi Seh beach was really good, and as you can see from the videos, we enjoyed ourselves, and yes, we would come again, right? Right, we will come again. We're coming again. We are coming. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. I'm super tired. I'm gonna take a shower, take off the makeup, and rest up. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.